safe, but I'm actually not gonna look at the camera at all, so deal with that. But I just wanted to update you guys because I totally forgot. I'm heading to a dinner, so I'm not gonna be able to vlog. So I'm home for the weekend. Turning signal. I'm home. Oh my god, these people are gonna see me filming. Whatever. I'm home for the weekend for Passover and Easter. If you're confused, my family celebrates, I'm at a red light, so. My family celebrates both holidays because my mom is Jewish and my dad's Catholic. So yeah, basically my whole life we've celebrated like Christmas and Hanukkah, both religions. So going to Passover dinner now, and then Sunday we'll be celebrating Easter. So yeah, that's where I'm heading to now. Just wanted to update you guys. So I'm literally triggered driving around my hometown, just past my high school. Yeah. So this is my hometown and it's pretty cute.
Okay, boys, my second question. Okay. I actually something went on.
Right on the car? Mine are in the middle.
Sad too. When the day turns on you. I don't know the lyrics. Wait, I know this part.
Okay, let's go.
I'll stand by you. I'll stand. Let nobody hurt you.
Michelle, I'd really appreciate
I'll stand by you.
I'm very sorry for all their actions. Sandwich.
Outfit of the day.
My shirt's like half off, I think. Wet rat. I call this look wet rat. It's a wet rat.
Like what?
It's a wet rat.
What do you guys think?
Tell me that.
Leap on somebody's back.
Do you have something to say? What is this tree stump doing over here? I just, wait, you're sitting on this, I think I want
Happy Easter. Hope it's a good one for you guys. Mwah. Time to leave. Bye. Sad. But Philadelphia, here I come, bitch. Happy Earth Day. Let's celebrate. Hi, so I just went to my night class for another just 15-minute meeting, and my paper, my rough draft got ripped to shreds. She roasted me to the ground. Yeah, I have to basically start over, so I'm loving life right now. Just had a nice, amazing meal at Panera, and now I have to go back to school and do so much work. It's finals week, guys, so sorry if I'm barely vlogging, but like, I literally cannot. It's like so much work, and I have literally 2 essays due this week. I can't even begin to explain the workload. But it's okay. Last week of school, it'll be done. But until then, I'm enjoying this nice sunset. Tuesday, and it's literally like 80 degrees and it's like 11 a.m. and I'm wearing Hoagie Fest. Let's get this bread. I hate myself for saying that, but it's fine. We stand that food truck. Look at those minions. It's so pretty. And look who just showed up.
Kenny, what'd you get? One burger. What do you picked out?
I was thinking about it too, but I took the last hamburger.
You took the last hamburger bun?
Yeah, the guy behind
You
me
savage.
was triggered.
Yesterday's class.
Yo, get down. That's unsafe. The nurse would know, right?
Yeah, you're gonna die. Guys, should I skip my 4 o'clock class?
Yes.
Skip. I can't skip my 3:30. Sorry.
Wait, Colin, what are you skipping?
My thing is, we didn't ask.
I don't want
41 on my test.
probably end up going. Let's
Don't go. Be brave. Lisa, why are you skipping?
Be brave.
Because I can go. We gotta get going. We're gonna get coffee. So you take this.
Yes.
Take one out.
Just one.
And then this is yours, Brian. Yeah, just one. Hold the rest.
Oh.
And then you're just gonna swab your left side for a minute.
Is this my left?
I'll buy for you.
Do you guys want stickers and pins?
I lost track.
You can then hold it and then right side.
Now, time to study. We love that.
Should have gotten her eating the muffin.
So, that's my day. I can't believe this happened. My car is broken into. Oh my fucking god. So, yeah, I'm waiting for the police to file a police report and, just live. Alright, so I just went back home and I got plastic wrap and tape to cover the window. I just can't believe this actually happened. Like, I never actually imagined or thought this would happen. But look at me now. I was walking out to my car and then I noticed that the front window is gone. And then I see that. And then I'm like, oh, great. I'm guessing they tried to take my radio but failed. And yeah. There was nothing in here. Like, I literally left nothing. It's just like chargers and gift cards with $0 on it. But like, so like, I know they got nothing. But still, like, can you believe this? Now to cheer me up. It's also Colin's B-Day bash tonight. Yay. Okay. Yes, ladies.
Let's do pictures.
Happy birthday, Colin. Yes, we love that.
8 hours later.
Let's go.
Is it gonna come out? Like,
Big reveal.
Yeah, surprise! Come on, come to mama.
Colin.
I'm screaming. He looks just like me. I should wear my blue shorts.
Open your, oh my god, you should. Take your
Open
top
this.
off. You got a gift? Hold on. Make sure the pizza boxes don't catch on fire. Okay.
Oh. No.
Yeah, we're keeping it up.
Yes.
Take your key.
Genius.
Back to your house.
Guys, you can only be rude for 2 more hours.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, I forgot.
Okay, ready, go. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.